Another way to make any Pilates class more challenging is to add a layer of length. What that means is that in every movement throughout a class, you add this feeling of length. It's like Play-Doh being pulled apart. But in order for something to pull away, to create that length, you need to have an anchor. Because if you pull something away and you have no anchor, there is no length. You need to have that anchor in order to pull away. Not like that. Okay, so back to Pilates. So in a Pilates exercise, find a place, an anchor point, whether it's a hip pressing to the mat or a shoulder blade pressing back to the mat or whatever it is, but find that anchor and then use that to pull the muscles away from that anchor. So let's say you're lying on the mat, you want to press your shoulder blade back, press the shoulder blade back to the mat, use that as an anchor, and then reach your arm away from that anchor of your shoulder blade. So find an anchor, whether it's a shoulder blade, a hip, a knee, a tailbone, whatever it is, find some anchor point and then reach the muscles away from that anchor point. And that will create a feeling of length. So take one class or one session with a student and look at every single exercise and find those places where you can create that feeling of length within the exercise. So just find that anchor point and then stretch the nearby muscles away from that anchor point.